Guys, guess what?
I know what.
Do you know what?
Wait, what?
So I just received the diamond play button. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm not PewDiePie. I don't get it. So my idea for the video is open it up, cry, cut to a montage of my 10 years on YouTube, realize it only took Jake Paul 6 months to get 10 million subs and it took me 10 years, and then put it back in the box, put it in my closet, and literally never look at it again. It's right, there's a bone. Just move the bone. And there it is.
Ooh, this is weighty.
Oh my God, I'm gonna make you...
Shane, I said this is weighty and we didn't get a good me.
I'm feeling better about myself.
Okay.
Bring me my button.
It's really changed you, Shane.
Very carefully lay it down. Careful! Ooh, that's heavy. Don't touch it. Only me, Superwoman. Crown me! Crown! No! God. Faux fur coat. Grab me a new diet root beer.
This is still
I want a
hot.
fresh one, cold from the fridge. While you're out there, it wouldn't hurt to change your attitude. Come back with a smile. I'm sorry. Did you just put my soda on top of my play button? Ryland! How dare you! Team Super would never! You're lucky I'm trash! What is this?
That's my book for note keeping.
Oh, it's your diary. Dear diary. Oh, God. Why am I gay? That was cute. Okay, here we go. Children at home wishing that you were a YouTube star. Get ready. What is this? Dear Shane, you are the best YouTuber on YouTube.com. PewDiePie, stop quaking. Oh, it's so heavy. I need help. Never mind, don't touch it. Uh-oh, there's something on the back. Ew, I just saw my reflection. Shane Dawson, congratulations for surpassing 10 million subscribers. Come on, squad. People of my neighborhood, I know what you're thinking. Why is his house not bigger? Why doesn't he have a Tesla? Why doesn't he have a show on Netflix? And the answer would be, I don't know. Here's to us.
Was it worth it?
Mm-mm.